This is the third tutorial for the VEX Mission Disk Mover. In this tutorial, we're going to try and tweak the code that we just made. Last time we ran it, we were missing our disk. And why were we missing the disk? Well, we're driving forward at a velocity of 1,000%. So it's really hard to stop on a dime and grab stuff if you're flying down the road. Okay, this is true of the previous mission we did when we were doing the disk maze, right? We had to make a stop after our sensor picked up on something and then back up a little bit. All right, so to help us this time, we're going to do the same thing again. All right, we're going to go over here, and instead of just stopping and energizing the magnet, okay, we're going to stop, energize the magnet, and then we're going to back up a little bit. So we'll come over here and we'll drive back. Okay, at 100 millimeters should probably do it. But we don't want to do it at 1,000%. Okay, so this time we're going to use our drive velocity ahead of that at 50%. Now, once we back up that 100 millimeters, pretty sure we're going to end up picking up the disk. So now I want to turn around and I want to, put the pedal down again. So there's a pretty good chance I got that disk. So before I drive forward and head for home, I want to crank the speed back up. All right, so let's see how that does. We'll reset and go for it. So far, we're looking pretty good. Drops it off. It's 1 out of 3. There we go. So you can see how it overshoots a little bit. And then as it comes back, if you notice, a lot of times the disk will pop up as you're going in reverse. Overshoots, grabs it. So now we have some solid code. So now we're ready to move on. So we'll stop there. Okay. And now we want to add some next steps. So after it's done grabbing those 3 disks, okay, what do we want to do? Well, we want to turn, okay, and go over the next set of disks. So I'm going to use headings. Okay, and the reason I like to use headings is what happens if I get hung up on the wall? Okay, what if I don't quite turn the 90 degrees I had hoped, right? So by using a heading, it's going to keep turning until I'm pointing in that direction of the compass. In this case, 0 is forward, 180 is back, 90 degrees is where I want to be to get over to the next part of this mission. All right, so I'm going to turn to a heading of 90 degrees. All right, and then after I turn to that heading, what do I want to do? Well, I want to drive forward. In this case, I'm going to drive forward using the distance. And if I show my field, you notice I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks away, which means each block is 200 millimeters, which means I'm a total of 800 millimeters away. All right. And then once I get there, I want to make sure I'm facing my heading of 0 once again so I can attack the next mission. So I'm going to turn my heading back to 0. All right. So with that done, let's take a look at it and see if that puts us where we want to be. So we've got our first disk. Got our second disk. Okay, we're slowing down when we need to be precise, and we're cruising when we don't need to be precise. Okay, and just for ha-has, let's put this into 3D mode. Here we go. Okay, now it's going to turn, it's going to move over, and it writes itself. So now I'm ready to do that mission all over again. So let's stop there, hide that. So if we want to do all of this all over again, then we need to put it all into a repeat loop. So we'll grab this entire block of code, go to our controls, and we'll grab a repeat. And we'll drop this into that loop. And if you remember our sketch, we said we wanted to repeat this whole thing 3 times. All right. So now if I reset, play it again, we can watch it grab them. Now, what did we say was going to happen at the end? Okay, if we're doing this repeat loop, right, we go out, we get our 3 discs, we turn, we drive to the right, we square ourselves up again, and we go get the next set of loops, right? What's going to happen after we're done getting those 3 green discs? Think about that. All right, so again, move over 800. Okay, pick it up. And you'll notice sometimes we're overshooting on those discs, but that little bit of a tweak we did to back up nice and slow, right, that sets us up. All right, so I'm going to switch back to bird's eye view. Oh no, we missed it entirely. Well, that's no bueno. So my point was, okay, when we get to the end of this last mission, it's going to turn to the right and it's going to try and go over 800. So check out the last video for this series where I show you how to set it up so that every time it makes that turn, it looks to see if it's got enough room to drive the 800. All right, so we're going to stop there, go on to the next tutorial, and you'll see the last little bit